Hi wonderful people, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make these healthy strawberry smoothies. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you, and let's get started. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.